Okay, in this short video, we're going to do some live sensor data logging. We're going to use the TinMan real-time UDP test application downloaded to an Android device. We're just simply going to select some of the sensors that are on the phone to send data over UDP to an IP address and a port. We're going to click Send Data. It'll automatically send that data at the desired rate. Now, in TinMan real time, what we're going to do, we're just simply going to do a couple of quick steps here. We want to record this to a CSV file, so we're going to add a new UDP source. We'll specify the port, and we'll go to the next screen. It's going to be comma delimited data. We click Finish. Now we just need to import a template, a sensor data template. So we want to do import sensor info. We're going to choose the sensor template, which just simply lists the sensors that are on the phone and what the prefix for that particular sensor will be. And then we click Run. And if we just do a quick test of this incoming data, we just do this, and we can see the data flowing in on the screen. And we can speed that up and go much faster if we want, and then you can see the data flowing in. So now with that sensor data selected data template, what we can do is add controls to the screen. So if we go in our sensor components palette, you can do all kinds of things, add gauges and charts and things. But in this particular video, we just want to write this data, incoming data, to a file just the way it's coming in raw format. So we drag a data logger component to the screen, double click on that. We browse, we create a file. Let's just use test.dat. And what we want to do, we can include a header row. Let's go ahead and specify a data source. That's this UDP source, and specify one of the three sensors on here. Let's say accelerometer, and let's add all. And so now we have all elements, the time, the X, the Y, Z coordinate for that particular one. We can insert a sample number, so now we have an extra column there. We have a header row, and this is just a preview of the data file structure. And so at this point, what we can do is go ahead and click on OK, and we're ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on, and you can see that our data logger component is ready for that data to come in, and we're going to go ahead and send the sensor data now. And so now you can see we're writing rows of data, a lot of data being written, and we'll go ahead and stop. Okay? All right, so now we have that file written. We can stop here, and we can double click on this, and if we browse to test.dat and we open this up, let's see if we can just open this up. I don't think we'll have a conflict. We'll just try. Wait for Windows to catch up here. Open, and there it is. There's our data file. So, and again, we have created a data file with a header, and it's comma delimited. So we have sample number, time, X, Y, Z. So you have the sample number here. You have the timestamp in milliseconds. You have the X, Y, and Z. And it looks like we have somewhere on the order of about 3,822 samples, which is about right. And so you can import this into a CSV file or anything you'd like. And that's that. It's that easy to create a data logger component. Thank you.